Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Touch Trove. Today, we're diving into some thrilling leaks about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. But that's not all, there's also a mysterious third model in the mix. Stick around as we uncover all the exciting details. Introduction. The buzz around the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 is real, and it's only getting louder. Expected to launch in 2025, the codenames for these devices have just leaked, dispelling any lingering doubts about their existence. Galaxy Club, via GSM Arena, reports that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is codenamed B7, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 goes by Q7. Mystery model Q7M. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Alongside these two models, there's a third device with the codename Q7M. What could this be? While the specifics are unclear, there are some intriguing possibilities. Possible variations. Trifold phone. Some speculate that the Q7M might be the long-rumored trifold Samsung foldable phone. However, it's more likely that such a revolutionary design would launch as a completely new model rather than a variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Special edition. Another possibility is that the Q7M could be a special edition model, similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition exclusive to South Korea. However, that model was codenamed Q6A, following the Q6 codenamed Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, so logically a successor would be Q7A, not Q7M. Affordable or ultra-premium? So what else could the Q7M be? Here are two other possibilities. Affordable variant. A more budget-friendly version of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 could attract a broader audience, though Samsung recently stated it has no plans to launch a cheap Galaxy Z Fold model. Ultra-premium model. An ultra-premium Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra seems more plausible. This model could feature top-of-the-line specs and exclusive features, catering to users seeking the ultimate foldable phone experience. Conclusion. Whether Q7M turns out to be a trifold, special edition, affordable, or ultra-premium model, it's clear that Samsung is keeping us on our toes. These leaks provide exciting glimpses into what we can expect from the next generation of Samsung's foldable phones.